Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Fashom subscription. This is a subscription. It's similar to Stitch Fit, but it is a little different because with this company you can preview what you're getting. They will choose at least 8 items. And out of those 8, you get to choose 5 that you want shipped out to you. I do have Stitch Fit, and I just started with Stitch Fit, and this is my first time receiving this one. And I really do like subscriptions like this because I do love clothes. I love decor also. I love doing vlogs. That's just the type of person I am. I'm passionate about more than one thing, and I would like to bring that to you guys on our channel. I know some people might prefer decor, and in the beginning, I kind of always did decor, but I always shared with you guys my thrift store hauls, and I did fashion videos. So I kind of always did this, and I was happy to get my first box from Fashom because it allows you to get items that you haven't received before. But I try to bring you guys what you like. So in the description box, I want you guys to tell me what type of videos do you like the most, and and I will try to do those videos for you. But I still like to do videos like fashion and vlogs and stuff. Just to keep it spicy. I don't want to do the same thing over and over, which some people like that, and that's okay. But on here, I want to make you guys happy. I want to give you different, how can I say it? Different interests that I have besides just decor. I like organization. I like fashion. So I like to show you guys different type of videos. And also when I go on vacation, I like to take you guys along with me sometimes. So sometimes I will do everyday vlogs or maybe vacation vlogs. But I want to hear from you guys because I want to put out content that you really enjoy, so you can keep coming back and viewing the channel. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. Before we do that, hit that subscribe button. And once you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. So, like I said, you get to choose 5 items and they will ship it out to you. At the end of the video, I will be trying on the items and let you guys know, what I like, how I feel about it, what the quality of the outfit is or the piece. So, and just like with Stitch Fit, I will preview the outfit or item that I choose to keep, if I keep anything. So we're going to just jump into the box and open it up. Let me see what is inside. And I like stuff like this. I like to get new items because sometimes when you go in stores or you see people, they have on things and you be like, oh, where did I get that from? And, just from watching videos like this, I found out that you can, if you have like Pinterest, you can go on Pinterest and you can pin different styles of clothing that you like. And your stylist will view your Pinterest or your social media site and see get a feel of what your style is. So I really, really like that. So it has an envelope. It says, "Hello, beautiful." So we're going to see what is inside, which is the invoice, and it gives you a breakdown of each item, the cost. It also tells you the total value of each of your pieces. And if you keep all 5 items, you get a 30% discount. So with that 30% discount, with everything that I received in my box, my total, if I got all 5 pieces, will be $151.20. Now, they do have a selling fee of $15, which was being waived because this is my first box, so I didn't have to pay that fee. They also give you a return package here to return the items that you don't want. So I'm just gonna pull out the little bundle they have here, and I see some really interesting colors, which I already know what it is, but it's still so exciting because now you get a chance to really try the items on. So right off the top, and before we get into, I want to mention that you have up to 3 days to, to try the items on and choose which items you want to keep. So the very first item off the top is this jumper here. I love the color of this jumper. I love the patterns. Only thing I did notice online that it had these little ties right here, and they are okay. So I didn't really know how I would feel about that, but I wanted to give it a chance to see how it would look. And it is really cute. I can see me taking this on vacation with me. I love the colors of it. It has some buttons going down the front there, and really, really nice. This is a size large, and she did state in the email that she went up a size larger. So I just thought that was really, really good of her to think like that, because a lot of times in tops I have to get a large, or in some items I have to get a large to accommodate my bust area and my arms. So they also include a note. Let me go back and see what my note says. So they do include, at least I thought they included a note, a little note from your, oh, it's on the invoice. So the note says, "Hello, thank you for styling with Fashom for the first time. I really enjoyed taking a look at your awesome YouTube channel." Yay for looking at my YouTube channel. And like I said, when you're signing up for the first time, they will ask you certain things like that, like, your social media account, so they can get a feel of what your style is. And based on your shared Pinterest board and styling requests, I have cultivated this comfortable yet chic selection for you that I think could include some fun additions to your warm weather wardrobe. Please note that some of our sizes do run a bit differently, so we do encourage you to give everything a try. Hope you enjoy them and are having a great start to your summer. Kristen. So my stylist is Kristen. Hi girl, hope you are watching this video. Thank you for picking out these lovely pieces and for being very knowledgeable on going up on sizes because of what the information that I provided to you. That was really helpful to me and to you, and I'm glad you took note of that and thought about going up in some of the sizes. So we're gonna see how these pieces fit. So I already showed you guys that beautiful jumpsuit. That is the Skies Are Blue tie shoulder printed jumpsuit. It is $46 and it was a size large. The next item is a sheer, what does this say? Bell sleeve sheer top, which is really nice. I really like this, especially these sleeves here. Love the sleeves. Can you see that detailing in the sleeves, guys? Like I said, it is a size, no, this is actually a size medium, and I guess she did a medium in this because it is cut kind of big. I would love to see this with some jeans on. I'll probably find a pair of jeans of mine and just pair it for you guys. Really, really nice. Really like this. The cost of that top is $34, and that's a great price for that top. It's made really nice, guys. Now, when I saw this online, to me, after seeing it in person, online did not do it justice, guys. So sometimes when you see things and it kind of catches your eye, but you're not sure about it, give it a chance. because the jumpsuit and this top really, I wasn't too sure about, but I'm glad I chose it because this is a beautiful color. Sometimes when you see things in person, it is totally different, and I'm glad I chose this top because it is so pretty. It's like a delicate type of pink, and then you know it is a wrap front. It has these sleeves here that are cuffed, and it is just really nice, guys. I really love this top. This is cute. This is really, really cute. Oh, I like this. Can you guys tell how much I like this? This is the Naked Zebra Zion wrap blouse. It is $42, which is not bad. I really could see myself. I really could see myself paying $42 for it because I really like it. I like it. And it has a little bit of pleating detail in the back. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it is this color or this wrap detail and how it blouses on the bottom, and it even has some splits on the side. I can't wait to try this on. I am ready to try this on. And then the next item is a dress. And I know I'm kind of repeating myself, but I wasn't even really sure about the dress. But I'm glad I chose this dress. Look at this. This would be perfect for work. I love the sleeves on it. It flows well, and it kind of crisscrosses right here up in front. And this is the Chris and Carol floral woven wrap dress. And you know what I say about a wrap dress? Perfect for any body type. And I love the pattern. It's really, really pretty. I am so glad I chose these pieces because I'm not gonna lie to you. When I was looking online, I was like, I don't know if she got it, but Kristen, you got it. Thank you, girl. This is cute. Can't wait to try these on. Guys, y'all gotta stay to the end to make sure y'all see these on me. Okay, these is the slim ankle. These are some pants. Slim cut pants. These are the Zach and Rachel size 12. So I hope they fit. They look kind of big, but we'll see once I try them on. I really like this color, and I'm glad she chose these slacks in a different color because I have a tendency to choose black, white, or brown. I very seldom do I choose any type of color, which I do, but not too often. So I wanted to try something in a different color, so that's why I chose for these pants to get sent out. And they do have faux pockets on the back, and I think these are some faux pockets designed on the front, but they're kind of different, as you can see, and that's a nice added detail. These are the Zach and Rachel ankle pants, and they're $49. So as you see, guys, I am very excited about the pieces that were sent to me. So we're gonna get to styling these pieces, and I will be back at you. And if you have come to the end of the video to watch me style these pieces, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. So I'm gonna jump into styling these pieces for you guys so you can get a look at how these beautiful items look, because I'm really excited about my pieces. First item is this jumper here, guys. It comes in a kind of like pink fuchsia color with floral prints. I love this jumper when I pulled it out the box. I love the fact that it also has pockets. I just can't get over the ties at the top of the shoulder there. It fits okay, but it's just not quite my style. But like I said, it is a cute jumper, and it would be great for someone for the summer. Next up is this floral dress, black floral dress. It didn't quite fit me as I thought it would, but I kind of like the dress. It is nice and flowy, and it would be great for, to go to work, or it's a nice dress for the summer, or even for a casual date or something like that. I love the sleeves, but it didn't fit me the way I wanted it to fit. It did have enough coverage up top in the bust area, and it had a nice length to it. I just didn't quite like the way it fit on me, but it is nice. Here are the kind of like a lime green pants. As you see, they are really big, but I do like the pants. I like the way they are cut. I paired it here with a black and white top that I had, and I really like the contrast of the prints and the solid color of the pants. And like I said, they fit really well. I probably will be exchanging them out. I'm not sure. Maybe for a smaller size, because they do have a lot of stretch in them. But I like the style of the pants, the way they fit, the cut, and they are a great length for work. So these might be a keeper, guys. Like I said, I really like the color of these pants too, because I have been looking for pants for work in different shades of colors besides the black and the blue that I usually wear. This top here, guys, is a keeper. I just love the way it looks on me. I love the style of the sleeves. The added detail of the crochet on the bell sleeves gives it a nice touch. It fits really nice. It looks great with these jeans here. So I probably will be keeping this top. Like I said, I'm still undecided about some of the pieces, but this is one of my favorites out of the bundle. It is a great top to wear casually, or you can dress it up, or even wear it to work. So it is a great addition to your wardrobe. And, you know, it is a basic or neutral color black, so it will go with a lot of items in your wardrobe. And yeah, I like it. This next top is actually one of my faves, as you can see from the previous video. I really did like this top. It fits really nice. I love the wrap detail in the front and how it drapes down. It just gives the blouse a nice added look. And I love that pale pink color. As you see, it hangs low there in the back, and it also has the slits on the side there. So yeah, this would be a great top to wear on a movie date. And I paired it here with some white pants, which I think look really good, but they also would look really nice with some dark denim. Yeah, that's the slits on the side there. Like I said, it's just a really cute, simple top. It has the cap sleeves, and I just love the wrap detail. One of my favorite tops of this whole bundle here. Well, one of my picks. Okay, guys, I've tried on all the pieces. I'm not going to tell you my favorites. I want you to comment down below what you liked on me, what didn't quite make it. And in my next unboxing, I will review to you what I kept, if I kept anything, and or what I, did I send all of them back, or did I keep all of them, or keep one or two pieces? I don't know. I'm gonna let you guys comment down below. Some of the pieces I really did like on me. Some I felt were a little too big or didn't quite look right. Actually, all of the items that she picked were really nice. I still like them, but I just once I tried them on, one or two pieces didn't quite look like how they thought they were going to look on me. But like I said, I want you guys to help me choose which items you thought looked really nice on me. And just drop a comment below, let me know. But like I said, in my next unboxing, I will be featuring the item or items that I did decide to keep. I like to keep you guys in suspense. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like videos like this. Don't forget to comment, like, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you guys a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.